Hi and welcome back for the next dyno for building up a 40 horsepower engine for Lambretta with a Monza barrel. I changed this time just the exhaust to see if a less revy with exhaust that is actually already here on the engine stand will peak at about 8,500 and will be for sure at the low revs a better performance. Let's see how this exhaust is working with this barrel. Watch out, I will switch on the engine soon. Watch your volume. By the way, that is a reference curve from the other exhaust with 30.5 horsepower, so that you can see real life how is the other one performing. So I saw something like 38 horsepower. Let's see that we can make a comprehensive directly. So that are some other curves. Okay. So let's see. Sorry for waiting. Oh, it's really hot here. Okay, so as you can see, we have here exhaust that is peaking much earlier, but still we have not a good balance between the exhaust port and the transfer times. So, but anyhow, great performance at 6,500. It has more than 7 horsepower more in performance. So this exhaust for sure is more road going than the other one that is more race going. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and join the next dynos. Bye.